Welcome to the garage. Today we're going to be putting this Pelican Vault on top of the 4Runner. I want some extra space to get some things out of the interior, like a tool bag and jumper cables and things like that, just to get things out of the way. So the rack that we're using is an LFD off-road ruggedized crossbar kit. And this works with your stock rails. You don't have to remove the rails. This works really well. We just used it on vacation to haul a rooftop luggage box, and 4 bolts. What I did, I used these T-nuts. Why are they called T-nuts? Well, because of that. So basically what happens is the T-nut comes underneath and kind of locks in place. It's just under the surface of that, but it won't turn. Once it's in this channel, you can tighten this and it won't turn. So that's what we're going to be using to mount the rifle case to the roof. So I'm going to set the camera up. I've made a crude template. I'm going to drill some holes and get this mounted. Alright, so as I mentioned, I made a crude template. This is just a piece of packing paper. I keep a roll of packing paper in the garage for messes and making templates and junk like that. So basically I just marked the ribs. This has ribs on the bottom, and I don't want one of the ribs to hit one of the rails. This one's the closest. So so basically I'm going to do 4 holes, and just going to mark that. Alright, so that is going to be the end of our paper. Hopefully I didn't drill a hole in the roof of the lid. That would be bad. Alright, let's see what we got inside. It's pretty deep, so no, didn't touch it. So it's pretty deep inside. I think it's close to 6 inches deep, so pretty deep. So let's chuck this up there and grab some bolts. Alright, so this will be just a bit of a dry run. I've got to do some cleanup work on the paint before I leave this up for good. So this would be basically just a test fit. And the question is, can I get my hand under here enough to start the bolt, or the nut rather, or bolt. It's close. I just have to catch a couple of threads on the nut. Okay, that one's caught. Let's move to the next one. Don't think the hole is quite big enough for the screw, or I could be misaligned it just a bit. With my rails. Now, where is the... Yeah, I'm not hitting the Not hitting the thingy there. Let's try this one. I may have to enlarge that hole just a touch. Okay, so this one is lining up. I can get it started. Okay, that one started. Yeah, so I see the problem. This hole's off just a touch too. So this one and this one. All right, so I'm going to enlarge these holes just a bit. And return. Okie dokie. All right, take two. I'll probably put a little bit of something under here to seal that, because I will still be going through the car wash with this thing. All right, let's get this started. So far, so good. So basically what I did is just took those two holes that weren't quite lined up, and I took those from 5/16 to 3/8. The bolts are 8mm, and 5/16 I believe is just a bit bigger than 8mm. So I went from 5/16 to 3/8. And that made just enough room to clear the bolt. Now when I mount this up here for good, well, not forever, but you know what I mean. I'll put some lock washers under these screws. All right. So basically what you'll do from here is just tighten your screws. I'm obviously not in the channel. Can't see. Too short. Ow. Okay, we got it that time. These are 5mm Allen head screws. And we're just a touch crooked. Not that it matters right now. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's how you mount it. It's very crooked. I'll have to fix that before I leave it up here for good. So anyway, let's have a look. All right, so here's how it looks on the roof. So basically we flip the latches. And there we go. It's very sturdy. Cool. All right, so I've got to do a little bit of work on this paint. This roof has been neglected by the previous owner or owners. And before I leave this up here for good, I'm going to do some polishing. So anyway, I hope you liked the video. This offers a lot of storage space. Get some junk out of your interior. It is lockable. And this handle, once it folds down, doesn't really move very easily. It's very sturdy. So might make a good handle to get up here on the tire. So anyway, that's that. Pelican Vault and LFD ruggedized crossbar kit for the Toyota 4Runner. See ya.